going to tell you about the erectile dysfunction in young men, causes and treatment. So let's go towards the video. Viewers, if you did not subscribe this channel, then please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. An erection involves the brain, nerves, hormones, muscles and circulatory system. These systems work together to fill the erectile tissue in the penis with blood. A man with erectile dysfunction has trouble getting or maintaining an erection for sexual intercourse. The men with erectile dysfunction are completely unable to get an erection. Others have trouble maintaining an erection for more than a short time. There are many causes of erectile dysfunction and many of these are treatable. Here in this video I am going to tell you about the reasons and treatments of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction in young men. Study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine suggests that erectile dysfunction is more common among younger men than previously thought. Researchers found that erectile dysfunction affected 26% of adult men under 40s. Almost half of these young men suffered from severe erectile dysfunction. Causes. There are several causes of erectile dysfunction. In some cases, erectile dysfunction can be an early sign of a serious health condition. Physical causes. Getting and keeping an erection requires healthy circulation. Clogged arteries and condition known as atherosclerosis is one possible cause of ED. High blood pressure can also lead to erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction can be a sign of diabetes. This is because high level of blood glucose can damage blood vessels, including those responsible for supplying blood to the penis during an erection. Obesity is a risk factor for diabetes and hypertension. Overweight young men should take steps to lose excess pounds. Hormonal disorders such as low testosterone may contribute to erectile dysfunction. Psychological causes. The feeling of sexual excitement that lead to an erection start in the brain. Conditions such as depression and anxiety can interfere with that process. One major sign of depression is withdrawal from things that once brought pleasure, including sexual intercourse. Treatment. Treating the cause of erectile dysfunction may help resolve the problem. Lifestyle changes make a positive difference for some men. Other benefit from medications, counseling or other treatments. Healthy lifestyle changes. Healthier eating, getting more exercise and losing weight may help minimize the problem posed by erectile dysfunction. Quitting cigarettes and cutting back on alcohol use is not only wise but may also help with erectile dysfunction. Communication with your partner is essential. Performance anxiety can compound other causes of erectile dysfunction. Medications. Oral phosphodiesterase 5 (PDE5) inhibitors can help treat erectile dysfunction. These medications are recommended before more invasive treatments are considered. For medications, you require a prescription, and for that, see your physician. Vacuum construction devices. Other treatments Options may be considered if medications are not entirely successful. Vacuum construction devices are generally safe and effective. Surgery, a last resort for men with erectile dysfunction, is the implementation of a penile prosthesis. Simple models allow the penis to bend downwards for urination and upward for intercourse. For more videos, please subscribe to Operate for Health. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.